Hi friends, this video shows how to set fingerprint lock. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Let me lock this screen. Unlock. See, this phone is not protected with pin, password, pattern or fingerprint lock. I am going to set fingerprint lock. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Go to lock screen. Tap here. Then tap on screen lock type. Here you can see list of screen lock type. From this list I am going to enable this fingerprints lock. Tap here. Tap on continue. Tap on next. So first we have to set pin, password or pattern lock. Then only we can set fingerprint lock. Let me set pin. Then set one pin. So we need to select strong pin. For now I just entered this symbol pin. Tap on continue. Tap on use anyway. Then enter the same pin and confirm. Tap on OK. Done. So now pin is ready. Next I am going to add fingerprint. Select one finger, then using that finger touch on the fingerprint sensor. So that way we can add fingerprint of that selected finger. You can see the progress here. Keep touching. 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, done. Then tap on done. Tap on done. Then tap on done. Okay, now fingerprint lock is ready. See now, so here you can see screen lock type. Now it shows pin and fingerprints. Let me verify. Lock the screen. Unlock. Swipe up. You can see use fingerprint or enter pin. So we can enter pin like this. So that way we can unlock the phone, or let me lock it, then unlock. Or I can use finger. See, that way we can unlock. So this way we can set fingerprint lock. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.